minor correction. Well, in the first place, maraming salamat po for giving me this privilege. How can I say no to this opportunity? Meron lang ako minor correction. Hindi correction. Correction sa sinabi mo kanina. Hindi ito galing sa simbahan. Sabi mo wala nang mga santo sa simbahan. Okay, so, as Francis Ong will attest, most of this Santo Niños on exhibit, and including my paintings of Santo Niños, are the home santos, home altars ng mga ordinary. Galing yan sa mga bahay-bahay, sa probinsya, na gawang yaring unschooled craftsman. Hindi yung, with the exception of the poster boy, na sa Korea gawang talian, yung professional carvers. But most of them are made by, ordinary farmer, or a fisherman, yung ordinary folk, that they pattern after the stampita. What is the stampita? The prayer card. And then maybe also from trying to recall, ano kasi yung tsura nun? Mabalik sila sa simbahan. Yung gagayahin, yung tutularan nila. Inspired by, the real altar. Tapos gagawin, meron silang may maka-order sa kanila. Pag nakakilala na sa neighborhood, di maka-order silang medyo mayaman doon. Gawin ko ng altar katulad ng altar ng samahan natin. Something like that. So ako naman, na ito, I can truly share with you, sinulat ni Dr. Sita Gapunto, na I did it's like a full circle thing. I, in a way, did based on the ancient wood carved a Santo Maker, the ancient Santo Maker, and school based his sculpture or painting icon or the carving, yung relieve, on a flat stampita or a painting in the church. And then, he does it at home. Ako naman, I did the reverse. Yung sculpture na ginawa niya, piname ko yan on a flat surface. So, at full circle. Kaya ito yung mga interpretation ko yan. So, let's enjoy the evening. So, maraming salamat.